You're seeing all the hype around the 2024 Dacia Duster, but what about the unspoken problems? Today, we're cutting through the noise to reveal 5 frustrating issues with the Duster 2024 that truly no one talks about. These are the hidden truths that could catch you by surprise. Welcome to Supercar, your ultimate guide to unbiased automotive insights. If you love uncovering what's really happening with new vehicles, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. The Dacia Duster 2024 has taken the world by storm, celebrated for its rugged new looks and incredible value. But while reviewers highlight its strengths, there are specific subtle problems that owners are quietly dealing with, issues that rarely make it into headlines. Today, we're shining a light on 5 Dacia Duster 2024 problems no one talks about, so you're fully informed. Problem 1. The smart tech's hidden annoyances. You expect modern tech in a 2024 car, but my first problem is the Duster's infotainment system. Beyond the obvious glitches, it's the hidden, subtle annoyances that truly no one talks about, making daily use frustrating. It's not just that the screen sometimes blacks out or freezes, it's the little things that wear you down, like the wireless charging pad that doesn't always register your phone, leading to battery drain as it constantly connects and disconnects. Or the fact that apps like Spotify might only work if you open them manually on your phone first. Then there's the fixed central armrest that constantly gets in the way, making it tricky to connect the seatbelt or knocking your arm. And the seatbelt shoulder anchor point? It's not adjustable, cutting across my neck, a minor but persistent irritation that's never discussed. These subtle design quirks, despite the new tech, are daily frustrations. Problem 2. The shock absorber catastrophe and unexpected repair costs. This problem is a serious red flag that truly no one talks about openly, the potential for catastrophic suspension failure, leading to unexpected sky-high repair costs that defy the Duster's budget image. One owner experienced their rear shock absorber failing catastrophically at 65 miles per hour on the highway, with the car suddenly dropping and dashboard lights flashing like a Christmas tree. This wasn't a minor leak, it was a full rupture. While it's an extreme case, online forums show similar complaints of suspension issues. What makes this a problem no one talks about is the repair cost. A single shock absorber replacement was quoted at over $600, excluding labor, an insane price for a supposed affordable car part. This kind of severe, expensive failure challenges the Duster's low-cost ownership promise in a way that's rarely highlighted. So, here's the thing. Everyone talks about the hybrid's efficiency, but no one really talks about its persistent noise problem. My third issue is the Duster hybrid's unrefined engine noise and, well, some peculiar behavior that can be genuinely intrusive. While the Duster hybrid is smooth at low electric speeds, the petrol engine can make itself known with a loud, persistent drone that, honestly, seems to activate at random, not just under hard acceleration. This isn't the gentle hum of a refined hybrid, it's more of a coarse, gargly sound, especially from those 3-cylinder variants. When the engine fires up in town, it can be surprisingly noisy, even if your foot isn't heavy on the throttle. This constant, unpredictable engine drone, along with the lumpy manual gearbox shifts and boosty power delivery, unlike other modern 3-cylinders, creates an unrefined auditory experience that, owners consistently face, but reviewers rarely focus on. Problem number 4, subpar rear seat space and interior wear that, honestly, catches you off guard. You expect Dacia to be practical, but, well, no one really talks about the surprising limitations in rear seat space for its class, and those specific interior finishes that show premature wear beyond what you'd expect. For an SUV of its size, the Duster's rear seat room is acceptable, but, yeah, it's far from generous, especially if the front seats are pushed back. 3 adults in the back on a long journey would be genuinely uncomfortable, and those rear door bins are, surprisingly, pretty small. This really contrasts with its otherwise excellent boot space. More subtly, and a problem no one seems to mention, is the finish on the lift-up seats in the rear, which can appear, well, poor and crude. Some owners find that the hard plastics, while durable, make the interior look a bit too basic and, honestly, they don't disguise mud or dirt very well. This level of basicness and subtle discomfort despite the new design can lead to a kind of quiet regret. Problem number 5 is arguably the most impactful and honestly the least talked about, the frustrating reality of Dacia's after-sales service, marked by long parts delays and disputes over warranty claims. Owners have reported terrible reliability, and simply the worst sales and ongoing customer service or support from 2 separate dealerships as well as Dacia UK. The biggest pain point here is parts availability. Some owners have had to wait months for the part they need, which is just unacceptable for a primary vehicle. There are also instances of warranty claims being disputed, with mechanical issues sometimes attributed to driver error, leading to denied coverage. This really puts a significant burden on the owner. While the car's initial cost is low, the potential for being stranded for months, or having to fight for warranty repairs, is a critical problem that silently impacts ownership satisfaction. So, there you have them. 5 problems in the Dacia Duster 2024 that truly no one talks about. From subtle tech annoyances and shocking repair costs, to persistent noise, limited rear space, and frustrating after-sales service, these are the unspoken truths every buyer needs to know. The Dacia Duster 2024 remains a strong value proposition, but by being aware of these less discussed issues, you can set realistic expectations and hopefully avoid buyer's remorse. What do you think of these unspoken problems? Did any of them surprise you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience really helps our community. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more unbiased automotive insights and essential buyer's guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.